Hello everyone, it's Miriam here and I'm working for HonorBuy.de, and today we're going to introduce a new product that we have on our website, and it's from Taotronics and it's Aroma Diffuser. This product costs about €4. Here is a card from Taotronics as well as a manual of using. So that will be the charger, and that's the European flag. I guess I have to pull it. So that's Aroma Diffuser. Let's open it. Alright, that's the water tank. So here we can measure how much water we want it. So that's the essential oils that we have as well in our website. It's from Anjo and it's about €20. It comes with a very cute, nice box. Sorry, I have to pull it harder. So there are 6 different aromas. Here we can see lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, eucalyptus, sweet orange, and the last one, peppermint. So how to use it, right? We should open that after being recharged. We're gonna pull a little bit of water. We pull the water. And after we choose our favorite. In my case, I choose the lavender aroma. It comes that way. So I'm gonna put a few drops inside. Like this. You can start smelling the aroma. We put it on recharge now. I'm gonna explain the 2 functions that our item has. So the first button change the colors like that, and the second one is to turn it on. So now we can see that it's coming out, and the duration. So if we press again, the duration is changing. So looking wise, it looks very aesthetic. It looks modern, the colors are beautiful, and it actually smells very well because you can choose the smell you want in it. There is as well different colors on the bottom, but we choose this one to go well with any kind of different furniture that you've got at home. So guys, we already finished with this product, and I hope to see you soon with next product coming on our website. Bye!